In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an ads.txt file to your Squarespace site. This is an essential task if you're running ads on your website, as it helps to maintain transparency and verify who is authorized to sell ads on your site. Let's dive into this process step by step so you can follow along without any hiccups. First, you need to open the Squarespace website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice your profile icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that profile icon and you'll see a list of all the websites you manage under your account. From this list, identify the website you want to add the ads.txt file to. Next, look for a set of 3 dots next to your chosen website. These dots are usually located on the right side of each site listed. When you click on them, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings, which will take you into the configuration area of your site where you can make all the necessary modifications. Once you're in the settings of your chosen website, look out for an option called Developer Tools. This is the area where you can make advanced customizations, so click on it to proceed. Within the Developer Tools, you'll find an option named URL Mappings. This is the crucial section where the magic happens in terms of adding your ads.txt file. Now that you're in the URL mappings section, you'll need to paste your code. This is the code provided by your ad network. It's a simple text file that lists authorized sellers. You must paste this code precisely as it's provided to ensure everything is set up correctly. Here's a small tip. Double-check the formatting and the content of the ads.txt file to avoid any potential errors that might crop up. Once you have pasted the code, don't forget to add any necessary details that might be needed. These details are usually related to your ad network and might include identification numbers or other specific elements. After everything is entered and double-checked, it's time to save your progress. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the panel, and click it. This ensures all your changes are stored promptly and your ads.txt file is effectively integrated into your Squarespace site. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully added an ads.txt file to your Squarespace website. By doing this, you're helping to protect your ad revenue and ensuring that only trusted partners can sell ads on your behalf. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out other videos for more tips and insights related to managing and optimizing your website.